What's up guys, this is Ash and thank you for stopping by. Well, it's kind of raining outside, so I thought कि चलो आज कुछ unboxing करते हैं. So today we'll be unboxing something that I have been waiting for a long time. That is DJI Spark. So I'll quickly get on with the unboxing and I'll also tell you the price and the location where I got it from. So if you want to know the price and the location, I suggest you watch the entire video. Something like that. I have already opened the box. Well, since it's pretty boring and no one really likes to watch it, in that process I kind of ended up tearing this. So I mean, that's just a box. This is where the camera is, and this is the accessories that come along. This is a combo pack. The price of this is around 43 grand if you buy it offline. Not online, not from Amazon. Amazon is around 59, I guess. The location is in Andheri. You can get the exact address from DJI Spark site. There is only one location, that is in Andheri, Sakinaka. So if you can have a look there, you will get the entire address. I'll also mention the address and the numbers, whatever I have, in the description below, so you can have a look there. By the way, I just like to add, this was a sealed pack, so it was a bit costlier. They also give a pack where the box is open, where some people don't like it, and a open box, which is a bit lesser price than a sealed box. So let's see this. This is a sky blue version of a Spark. Let me just open this. I'm not sure how. Oh yeah, yeah. This is a sky blue version. Comes with its propellers, and this is the charger. This is the battery, not the charger, and with another battery. So this is a Spark. It's kind of tiny. It's heavy. I mean, I have to say it's kind of heavy. It's around what, half kilo, I guess. Yeah. And in this box, I mean, it's all its accessories. I mean, you must have already seen it. This is the remote, charging hub, charger, propellers, something there. Charging cord and the charging board. Yeah, and it's pretty sturdy. I have to say, this is pretty sturdy. I am not sure how waterproof this is. So if you are looking into riding in the rains, I would suggest you look into some other bag, and carrying a DJI bag is kind of inviting trouble, so I wouldn't really suggest that. Anyways, that's about it. Yeah, I would also like to add, once you buy it offline, they will provide you training. That is, if you want training, if you are a total newbie, they will open your box there itself and give you training. That will help you not crashing your drone. But online, if you do it, you will not get any sort of training. You will have to read through all the manuals and figure it out yourself. But if you offline, it is much cheaper, and you will also be given training which is for free. So that is like a win-win if you buy it offline. Anyways, so I hope it has helped people who are looking into buying a DJI Spark or a similar drone. They have a lot of costly drones as well, and I hope if this video has helped you anyway, then please do like and subscribe guys. I'm only there to help. Till next time, take care.